Looking to up your streaming game? You've come to the right place. First, head to obsproject.com to download OBS Studio. Choose your operating system, download and install. Easy peasy. When you first open OBS, the auto configuration wizard pops up. Select Optimize for streaming or Optimize just for recording based on your needs. OBS will handle the heavy lifting to recommend the best settings for you. Next, create your first scene. Think of scenes as different setups for your stream or recording. Click the plus button under Scenes and give it a name. After that, add sources like your game, webcam, or display. For audio, make sure your microphone and desktop audio are detected. Adjust volumes in the audio mixer or go to Settings. Audio if needed. Finally, configure your output settings. For streaming, set your bitrate and encoder. For recording, choose your file path and format. And voila! Hit Start Streaming or Start Recording and you're good to go. Happy streaming.